Severe sepsis and septic shock continue to be a frequent syndrome with a high mortality rate. This study was undertaken to assess the one-day point prevalence in different ICUs, to estimate the incidence density, and to compare retrospectively clinical data according to Sepsis 1 and Sepsis 3 definitions. In 2013, a total of 11,883 patients were included in 133 participating German ICUs. Patients were admitted to the ICU during a 4-week period and were screened daily for the symptoms of severe sepsis or septic shock. A high rate of nosocomial infections causing sepsis was found, and almost half of these infections were acquired during the ICU stay. At onset of sepsis, respiratory dysfunction, septic encephalopathy, oliguria, and metabolic acidosis had the highest frequencies. Defined by the Sepsis 1 definitions, severe sepsis occurred in 218 cases and septic shock in 1,285 cases. Defined by the Sepsis 3 definitions, septic shock was found in 848 cases. Point prevalence of severe sepsis or septic shock was 17.9%, and incidence corresponds to 11.64% per 1,000 ICU days. ICU mortality related to severe sepsis or septic shock was 34.3%, which was approximately 5.5 times higher than in patients without sepsis. Total hospital mortality of patients with severe sepsis or septic shock was 40.4% compared with 9.6% in patients without sepsis. Defined by the new Sepsis 3 definition, ICU and hospital mortality of septic shock was 44.3% and 50.9% respectively.